Well, now to the executive order from the governor today that immediately put Florida into phase 3 of reopening. Here's what that means. Restrictions on restaurants have been lifted. Now they can operate at a minimum of 50% capacity, and cities and counties cannot order them to close or limit their capacity to below 50%. The order also bans local fines against those who don't follow mask mandates. ABC Action News reporter Haley Bull leads off our team coverage tonight with local businesses that are changing how they do things, and a health expert who says today's announcement actually worries him.
That professor says it's up to everybody to take personal responsibility now. Meanwhile, restaurants here in St. Pete are figuring out what this next step means for them.
On one hand, positive. On the other hand, nervousness.
Pacific Counter is working to take safety seriously in St. Petersburg. The restaurant remains takeout, delivery, and patio seating only, while its co-founder says they're discussing next steps for the dining room.
But I was honestly kind of shocked.
This as the governor announces phase 3.
We're also saying in the state of Florida, everybody has an opportunity and the right to work. Every business has the right to operate. You know, some of the locals may be able to, they can do reasonable regulations, but you can't just say no.
But next steps for this state have others concerned.
Looking at the numbers that I've been looking at, I think it's something that could really cause a dramatic increase in cases.
USF distinguished professor Dr. Thomas Unash says people need to maintain what he calls common sense with masks and social distancing.
Common sense mandates that this is something that has worked. And that is something that we need to continue.
Meanwhile, the next phase is welcome news for other restaurants in St. Pete.
They want to come back. You want that sense of normality basically back.
The Whiskey Exchange opening just this week, now ready to welcome in more patrons.
It is people still taking care of themselves, but at the end of the day, there have been less spikes. There have been less things going on, so it is time to start progressively moving forward.
We're told the mayor and city officials are reviewing this latest order. In St. Petersburg, Haley Bull, ABC Action News.